What's going on, guys? It's Duffy and welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded one in a while, but today I feel is the perfect day. Let's start the video and let's get started. We already went outside. Look, take a guess. We're all rugged up. Guess what we're doing? Okay. We're outside during a blizzard or a snowstorm. I have no idea. Right now there's about a foot of snow, 1/3 of a meter, and we can barely walk through the snow. So it is really hard. We already walked out here a second ago. It is impossible to walk through. Look it out. This is our driveway. Full snow. That's our basketball ring. It's not underground. And look, my foot is covered. It's absolutely mad. I don't think I've ever been in this much snow. It's mad. I'm huffing. Look at this. Look at that. Okay, I'll update you guys when.
Go.
Yeah.
You gotta talk.
Okay. I just slipped in my ice skating ring we made. There's a lot of snow right here. Wait, I can slip. Okay. So
Go on the trampoline.
right now we're heading out to the backyard. See you guys after I play out there. Like, look at this. See all that? Wait, just look. That's all snow flying down. This is just out front. It may look like that is not a lot of snow, but because it's really windy, it pushed it all there. That's about 3 meters of snow. 2 meters. Maybe 1 meter of snow right there. I'm not kidding. And I'm 1 meter, 40, 50 maybe. Probably not 50, but it's mad outside. Mad. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. So if we get to 10 likes on this video, and see you guys later. Peace.